Shut up and sit down.
Hello folks, Colin here, Festa 67's workshop, and welcome to issue 35 of Build the Batmobile from the classic 1966 TV series Batman. This is brought to you by our good old mates over at Fanhome. Now if you want to subscribe to this beautiful iconic 1/8 scale diecast vehicle, head over to this link here. Takes you to the Fanhome website. There's a clickable version in the description below, and you too can be building along with me. Let's have a quick scoot through the magazine. This is the TV show, Shoot a Crooked Arrow. Batman comics there, Batman and Son in this one. I like the artwork on that as well. It's just right. Batman from the year 1969. This was Batman and Batgirl. This is your car parts that you get. You get screws there, AM and ZMs. So we'll put them there. And also your little box of parts there. Okay, this looks like the steering box assembly. Steering gear, sector gear, worm gear, housing, bottom shaft, and a UJ. There you go, thanks. This shows you how you're going to be putting the gearbox together, folks. How it all goes together. A few screws, etc. And then we're going to install that in the front of our chassis sections. We're going to need that in as well. And then this is what you're going to end up with. This is telling you how to mount that shock absorber rod. And yeah, let's just see what we're going to have at the end of this issue, folks, okay? All right, what you want to do is pop your worm gear in. Like that, and then drop that in, and you want it to match the photo, so you want it a bit like a diamond shape. Just check your drawing to make sure you're looking the same as what the instructions is telling you, which it is. I just want to go a tooth and see whether that looks any better. That way, it's pretty much a diamond. Then you want your upper housing to go down and through, and it's a bit of a push fit, folks, okay? So you just give it a squeeze and you'll hear it all click together like that. Then you want that to go in with a pair of AM screws, folks, okay? Just grab one of them and we'll just pop that in there. Now I can rest it, grab another AM screw. Little bit of oil on that, and then we can do the same on that side. Now we can tighten this all down now. Just like so. All the way around. Like that. What we want, folks, okay? And just make sure that everything still turns, which it does. Like that. So we're happy with that. It's then telling us to secure the universal joint using 2 ZM screws. So we'll have them and grab our universal joint. And we want to pop that in there like so. Whilst holding that in situ, we need to feed a screw through there, so that it engages the side of the UJ. Just like that. And I want to make sure that that does its thing, which it does. Happy. And then do the same there. Pop that along there. There you go. Now I'm going to back that off a little bit because I want the UJs to spin really, really freely. And then we want to grab our shaft like so. And it's looking like we put the bigger end in there, like that. Okay, so that's going to go in that side using the last of the ZM screws, folks. Usual bit of oil. Pop. And then we'll line our bracket up. And what this will give us is a nice flexible steering joint. Like so. There you go. Get that side in. And then we'll do the other one. Again, I don't want to go too tight. I need it to move and flex. So let your screws nip and then let the joint have a bit of flex in it. So I'm going to nip this side up like so, and then I'll back that one off a quarter like that. There you go. That's what you want, and to really help it on its way, I was going to put a bit of oil between all of those joints. There you go. I'll work that in. And that will give us then a nice flexible steering joint. And then to make sure everything turns, which it does, cool. So that's what we want, folks. Okay. That can now go in your Batmobiles, folks. Okay. So we'll bring our chassis in. And that's going in with a pair of AM screws. And that is going in. So that's that in place. That's where that little diamond was crucial to line up. Because cut into the bottom of this is the same shape. And it needs to press fit in there like I just did. Then we can put our screw in and that'll then pull that nice and tight together like that. Brilliant. And that is that steering all together now. And then as the rod turns, it will spin the steering wheels like so. See them? Just beginning to move like that. Okay, so that's what you want. So I'll just spin that round. I can realign my wheels like so, like that, see? That's working steering. Hopefully you're picking that up. That's what you want to do at the end of this issue, is have your steering do its thing. So I just want to line my front wheels up and I'm happy. So there you go, folks. That's this issue done. So, if you want to grab this for yourself, head over to this link. That will take you to the Fanhome website, where you can grab yourself this iconic 1/8 scale Batmobile. Also, to help me out, you can just click that little fester in the corner and subscribe to my channel. Helps me grow my channel, and also ring the bell whilst you're there so you get notified of upcoming content. Until then, thank you so much for coming in and keeping me company. Stay safe and well. See you next time. Bye-bye.